guys, yep, I'm here in Cabramatta, coming to look for some food. We can't go all the way up the top, but we're going to try and look for some food. So we can do a mukbang. Come on guys, let's have a look what the block. I'll show you these pineapples. Look. I think the pineapple is pretty sweet because it's pretty yellow. And then they got those nice sweet fruits. Okay, we're gonna go down Cabramatta, find somewhere to eat, guys. Okay, but at the meantime, let us admire some bling bling, bling bling bling, bling bling. Nice. Okay. Hey, Kim Hung. Kim Hung Hung. Okay, don't tease it. Oh, look at that. Nice. Okay, we gotta go for a eat. Look. Ooh. Hi. Just showing everyone. Sushi hut. Okay. Well. Meeting here. Trying my best to keep everything steady. Okay, so you guys don't get like drunk. We're having a, you know, like a thingy camera. Okay. I was walking. Look what we were walking under. And look, I just saw a poo-poo drop down. What the heck ended up? Two on our head. Oh, the place we're gonna eat. It's called Vietnamese restaurant. Okay, we ate here last time and they were pretty good. Pretty good. Anyway, let's go in. Hey. What we're gonna have, guys? What we're gonna have? I think I'll have something with prawns today. And that one says prawn. What's it called? Combination noodles, stir-fried noodles with seafood. What is it? Those prawns? Oh, yep, there's soup. And then there's, what's that? That looks lovely, yummy. What is it called? Yeah, I don't know what it's called, guys. I'm just gonna order it and then I'm gonna show you guys, so you guys can be all excited and surprised. I better be surprised. Better taste bomb diggity. So we got the extra lettuce, right? So we can wrap the spring rolls, and then I'm happy that we got the basil there, the Chinese basil. I could be wrong what it is. Don't quote me on that, please, guys, because I do not want anyone to say, excuse you, Faye, you got it wrong. But hey, I don't mind to know. So if I'm wrong, please let me know. Okay, thanks guys. I'm gonna let you guys go till I'm waiting for my soup. Okay? Waiting for my hot soup. Hot. And look, I told him not to put chili in it. So they've kindly given me the chili on the side. Just in case I change my mind. I want to try it though. I'll be sweating. Okay guys, I'm going to try the spring rolls. Okay, with a bit of basil. They're my son. That's my sauce. Oh, I like this. I'm going to have a bit more. Anyway guys, I'm going to show you guys how it's done. If you guys know how it's done, yeah, don't get smart to me, okay? Hey, what am I doing? There's your sauce. Okay. Put a bit of this. Watching guys, watching. Yeah. And you get a bit of this. Nothing wrong with dipping it in the sauce. Yeah, yeah. If you're buko ones, then you put it in there. Wait. Mango yeah. Yeah, something up. Roll it up. And then bon appetit. And if I get burnt guys, do not laugh please. I didn't get burned. Nice. Nice. Nice with the mint. Basil. Delicious. So nice in here. I can see it's got vermicelli, pork, and diced up mushroom here real small. Yeah, the Asians, they know how to do their food. Thank you. Alright, look at my hot fruit. Okay. Now, have a chopstick please. Good. No guys. I would pick it up and show you, but I might wear my hair and drop it on the ground. Drop it on the table, and then the water all comes and burn me on my lap. A lot of things could go wrong, so I won't do it, okay guys? You understand that, eh? And I love this basil mint thingy. I feel like dipping the whole twig in here. But I won't, because I've got to share. And it's so lovely. Then I'm going to put some of these bean sprout in here. See? Only really love that, yeah? Oh, I like that, yeah. Can I have a spoon, please? Yeah. I made one with a lemon there. Use the fat there. You watch it guys? Yeah. Really love an element. Oh no. And I'm not going to put any chili. Maybe one. Oh, get it for the meat. Oh, lovely. That's so good. Putting so much meat. Thank you very much. Ooh, that's so good. Did you get 2 pork? Last time we got 1, eh? So that's a different one. Okay guys, I'm going to show you something. See, look at my soup. Ooh, ooh la la, la. But then I'm going to show you something else. How dare she gets a nice plate. But never mind. I picked mine. Mine's still good though, eh? Yeah, yeah. Don't even talk about my food. Anyway, guys, I do my best not to get burnt. Make you guys laugh. Okay. There we go. How do they go have a mixing bowl? Like, wash your finger bowl. Oh, they're trying to eat like the Chinese lady over there. Professional. Yep. Yeah. Yep. Have it with some mint. Yep. We have some pepper. Chung chung chung. And you got some pepper too. Soy sauce, tissue. See? I know how to read that truck very much. Anyway, guys, yeah. Yeah, where's my dipping sauce? Oh, yeah. You're gonna burn. So delicious. Wrap it up with some of that. It's really nice. Who has soup and then start getting a runny nose? Is it just me? Comment down below if you get a runny nose when you have a hot, yummy soup. Because I do. That's so good. But she only gave a little bit. I remember the last time we came here. Okay. Gotta separate the meat, right? Because they gave so much. How generous. That chili sauce hot. See? Put it in this fermented chili. Really what? Oil. Oh, is it? I thought it was fermented. Oh, that was my cooking actually. Anyways. Delicious, delicious. So delicious. I'm going to show you guys again how it's done. Get this, dip it in your sauce, and you know what? See the sleeve of my waffle? When I was dipping down, it was dipping in my soup. So fresh. Anyway, never mind about that. And you roll it up like a cigarette. Roll it up like a joint. Phía joint là gì nhỉ? So delicious. It's so hot. Hot and fish. Cimento. If my camera dies out, it's because I'm still eating that. Oh, let's break up this meat. Take it out. Oh, cheers, guys. It's little teacups. We'll put some bean sprouts in there. I thought I had to share that. So mad. You don't want any of this mince? I'll stick it in there too. All for the flavor. What? So much meat. So much meat. Oh, you guys put everything. Here's ours. Okay. I got shocked away. I was going to leave my food and run outside alone. I have to finish this.
I'm so sorry, everybody. I forgot.
Yeah, it's okay. So good.
You don't want any of it?
No, thank you.
Oh, finish it.
Yeah, put it in the top. Mm. That's it. Thank you very much. Cheers, guys. I love the coconut. Oh, nice and cold too. Mm.
Chứ hàng ngày đi bàn từ năm mọi người hôm nay vui trở lại làm cái này lễ gì hai đời đó đi làm.
My mum's going to do an excursion today because today is birthday. She does on the excursion. I do my own thing. A lot of flavour. Why didn't you put some of the basil inside your oh, should have told me. I would have chucked it all in here. Yeah, why not? Get in there, basil. Has a really nice flavour.
Muốn được hiểu luôn là rồi anh biết là giờ chị nghĩ ngày này là nghỉ không?
Hit in the end. I can't do it just as good as you guys, but I'm trying. And then jelly guy, you know, I enjoy your mukbang inside your car. You've been doing very, very good. And guess what I love about it? It's all about New Zealand food. And you know, New Zealand got really good food, guys. So I would look up jelly guy, and even Tuva and Brenda, because they've been doing some mukbangs here and there too. So go look up those guys and give them a subscribe and tell them that I send you over, guys. Okay? That'll be cool. Thank you. Appreciate that. Okay? You're not going to be disappointed because they are pretty interesting to watch. Okay? Well, I've got to get back to this guy. Okay? He's still learning the chopstick. What Faye away in my finger for him in a bit. If you want to professional, that is one. But we must masua to make him a chopstick. Now, watch me till my camera dies, okay? But thanks for watching, guys, okay? Always appreciate all your fellas' comments. And even if it's in, you know, like teasing me, I don't mind. Because I just think, oh, I lied. You know, because it's funny. It's funny when you tease, you know? Not in a harmful way, but in a ha-ha-ha way. and look up man up. I'll show you guys outside. Okay? So look in the beginning of my video and you will see van up. Come inside and they'll look after you. See? They looked after me. They even forgot my drink. Okay? But look how nice it is. See? It's worth the wait. Okay. See, and tell them to get a mint for your, and then you dip it in, mix it up, and you'll see all the mint basil flavor come out. Thanks for watching, guys. Wait, better let you guys go, eh? But nice to have you guys join in with my lunch, and I'll see you again next time.